Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm back with new ideas, new videos on machine learning using Keras Python. Up till now, we have gone through many videos on Keras machine learning Python. That is Keras emotion categorize and count. Then Python categorize Keras categorize emotion. Python food classification with TensorFlow using Keras. We have seen that video of burger and vada pav with a histogram. Then today's video is really interesting. I am going to display the classification image with TensorFlow and Keras with histogram. In our previous video, we have seen fashion MNIST dataset which contain many grayscale images, out of which 25 are displayed. Now we need to plot several images. Now let's plot several images with predict the correct prediction. Now we will go through the file in detail. Python file. First four statement are the importing required module needed for the program. Next statement, fashion underscore MNIST. It is used for, this is a data set with grayscale images. These are the classes. Then train images, then count rows and column, then plot figure, in the sense since we need to plot this on the matplotlib, that's why we need to do this range and subplot on x-axis and y-axis, and plt.show to display the graph, matplotlib graph. Then model is equal to Keras dot sequential. It is used for set up the layers. Then model compile, it is used to compile the model. Then test the predictions of accuracy. Then prediction. The next statement, plot a image, in the sense about the prediction, we can say ankle joint, ankle. Then this is of another image, histogram of another image, that is coat. Now in that statement, num rows equal to 5, in the sense now let plot several images and their predictions correct. Correct ones are greens while incorrect ones are red. Then image is equal to test image 0. Finally we have to train model to make prediction about a single image. That's why it is 0 is written in the array. And at the last, prediction single, in the sense we can predict for the our image in batch. Now we will execute the program. Yes, images are displayed with data frame with image and label data frame. Now here modeling compiling is going on, model compiling. It will compile for 10 up to it post 10. Yes, yes, ankle boot, green stand for correct one, that's why it is correct. Now yes, here coat is green stand, green is at the up, that's why coat is also correct. Now these are the different images. We can observe that in each case green is the number one, upper, so every images are at the correct prediction. Now yes, so ankle boot grid prediction, it is correct. So I have successfully done with Python classification of image with TensorFlow and Keras with histogram using Matplotlib. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. These are the predictions for the one image here. So thank you.